Today we are going to discuss the min heap and the max heap and all the operations of the heap. Heap is one of the most important data structure in data structure algorithm field. And using heap, we can able to solve many different problems very easily. There are many popular programming interview questions that asked which can be solved using the heap. Like for example, find the kth largest element in the stream or find the median of a running streams of integers. Similarly, the merge the k sorted list. And there are many more which can be solved using the heap. So let's understand heap. Heap can be either min heap or the max heap. The min heap is a binary tree such that the data contained in each node is less than or equal to the data in that node children. Like for example, in the given tree, the root node value is always less than all its children. So consider like the node 3 value is less than all its children. Similarly, node 5 is less than all its children 6, 8, 12, 18 and 9. Similarly, the node 9 is less than its children like 20 and 10. Similarly for 6 which is less than 12 and 18 and similarly 8 which is less than 9. So when all the nodes satisfy this property, then we call it as a min heap. Similarly, the max heap is a binary tree such that the data contained in each node is greater than or equal to the data in that node children. Like for example, in this particular tree, the root node will always be greater than all its child node. Like the node 13 is greater than all its children nodes. Similarly, for node 15, it is greater than all its children's. Similarly for 19, then for 6 and then for 8. So when the some binary tree which satisfy this property, we call it as a max heap and it's in max heap positions.